Hi everyone, welcome to Rahul and Jayasri Association Company. This is our part of Rahul Law class as because I have recently started one new series, that is current affairs series, so that you will be able to know the current thing what is happening. So and you can subscribe and like and share so that I will receive your support. So my name is Advocate Rahul Kumar Singh and we provide judiciary any legal exams preparation. So if you want, you can connect in contact box. So today recently Supreme Court has passed a judgment on Sumit Ghosh and others versus Motsi Roy and others. In this, Supreme Court has taken a case before itself. That means Supreme Court has transferred a case from Calcutta High Court to the Supreme Court. As because the thing has happened, a single judge bench has given a judgment and it has went to a division bench. And the single bench judge has given a judgment, it was stayed by a division bench, but single judge bench didn't accept that, and the judge ordered the CBI to take its due course. So the matter was taken before the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has taken that case before itself suo moto. Suo moto means on its own. Suo moto means the court is taking any matter before itself on its own. When it feels that there is a justice is not given, then the court can interfere directly. So that is known as suo moto. The Supreme Court has transferred a case before itself from Calcutta High Court to the Supreme Court. Now this transfer, why does it takes place? Transfer takes place as because the matter is not followed, as because the matter is not been followed, so justice will not be given. So the court can transfer a case from any court to itself. So it was a matter of the Calcutta High Court, and this case name is Sumit Ghosh and others versus Motsi Roy and others. So this is a case which was recently transferred from one court to other. And the second matter is on Sama Sharma versus Krishna Kumar. In this case, it is important thing what was happening is that on litigant's case paper, when you file a matter, that is known as litigant case paper. So on that it was mentioned caste, which caste the person is belonging, and the religion of a person was also mentioned. Okay, so Supreme Court in this case in Sama Sharma versus Krishna Kumar has given a judgment that the court is starting from Supreme Court, High Court and subordinate courts will not use the name of caste, religion on the litigant's paper. Litigant's paper are the matters which are filed in a court of law, in that religion and caste is mentioned. So Supreme Court judgment is there. Today's judgment recently, Sama Sharma versus Krishna Kumar. Okay, in this Supreme Court has stated other courts that caste, religion shouldn't be mentioned on a litigant's paper, so that the caste discrimination and caste is not known and religion is neutral. So these two judgments were important. So I have discussed this. So thank you for listening and watching. Take care. Bye bye.